In this video, we'll talk about the Keepout layer and Keepout objects. A Keepout can be thought of as a fence, or they can be defined as a solid area that completely covers the area to be protected. There are two approaches to defining a Keepout. The first is the all-layer Keepout. To create a Keepout that applies to all layers, place an object, such as a fill, line, or region, on the Keepout layer. These objects then create a Keepout on all signal layers. The second is a layer-specific Keepout. Placing a layer-specific Keepout object on a signal layer creates a Keepout on just that layer. Keepout objects are simply standard design objects with the Keepout checkbox enabled in the Objects Properties dialog. Layer-specific Keepout objects have the color of that layer, with a thick outline shown in the current Keepout color. Keepouts are important when designing, helping you keep your tracks and objects confined in their appropriate regions and away from other objects or edges. For example, I want to keep my traces at least 10 mils away from the edges of my board. I can create a design rule to enforce this rule, using the Keepout layer in my scope. When you're done with the design and ready to output, remember that layer-specific Keepouts are not included in generated outputs, such as Gerber or ODB++.